Hi everybody from Coach Tom. Got this one up and I just want everybody to see this is my latest book and book review. Yes, it's a very old book, but Dr. Spock really covered it here, and especially when some of us that have kids, or I've been working with kids for over 4 decades, a lot of good knowledge here. And I wish I would have read this more and really dug into it. I just gave it a cursory glance when my kids were little. They're 25 and 28 at the making of this video. But there's a lot of good stuff in here about being a great parent. Not a good parent, but a great parent. And I know a lot of you, that's what you want to be. You want to be a great parent. And even though this is a dated book about some of the ideas he's got in here, some of the basic tenets that he has in here is about being calm. Just relax. Some of the things your kid's going through is normal, and it's listed right here. The things they're going through at 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, 4 years. If you have a child with disabilities, all these things. And most of all, it's about making that child gain and have self-esteem by providing them with a safe and loving home to be in. And as I've seen over the years, that can make a huge difference in the life of a child into adulthood. And the problems is everyone's got a few issues. Our parents will tell us we didn't come with an instruction booklet, and some of us had situations that were a little bit rough. And by referring to a book like this, and I picked it up for like a penny on Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. Had to pay the shipping. Who cares? And I read 10, 20 pages a day. You get it done in a month. It's pretty thick, pretty stout book. But I got it on the low, but lots of good stuff. And again, just want to repeat that. Before you even consider making a family, having a kid, read this kind of stuff. Be settled in your own self, especially your own psychology about how you feel about yourself. And that is absolutely the best thing you can do. Because when you do, you will make that home that's going to be loving and supportive and kind. And, it's going to have some boundaries. You want them to be good people as they're growing up. But I highly recommend in any form or manner you get this book in, glance through it. Yeah, you could skip some of the parts about, this one was about bottles. I mean, people still use bottles back then when this edition came out. Bottles without the little liners in them, that kind of thing. So there are some things that are dated in there, but the overall thing is how to make a home where that young person can grow up with self-esteem and feel good about themselves in a proper way. Not like getting an 8th place trophy by playing in a basketball league of the park. How to feel loved and cared, and that they can get after it and be productive on this planet. And if you feel and have that support from home, man, I'll tell you, it can work out. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. Just another book review for 2019. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.